All right, guys, we've got the GoGonova 20-volt cordless hot glue gun. It's drip free. It's cordless, so it comes with this removable lithium ion battery. Um, and if you need to charge that up, all you do is unplug the battery, plug this into the battery, and plug this into the wall. So I love that it's cordless, so you don't have to worry about a cord when you're doing, when you're doing your arts and crafts and you got the glue gun, you don't want that cord wrapping around. So I think that's great. You've got 12 glue sticks. What I did is I went ahead and preheated this. So I can tell you that within, I would say, I think I tried it after 4 minutes and it was already gluing. So this is how easy it is to use. The way you know it's on is it's got that light. All you do is there's a thing right there. So you just click that on and you'll see the light come on. You can also check the battery life right there. But as you can see, I'm effortlessly laying glue out and it's easy. It literally took about 4 minutes, probably took like 3 minutes. I just didn't check it until 4 minutes. But all you do is just stick that glue stick in the back and you don't even have to push it or anything. It's just pushing it all the way through and you got your glue. So we're using it for arts and crafts or whatever it is you might use this glue gun for. I can tell you it's got a very good lithium ion. It's built like a drill. It's built like a drill, high quality rubber. So it's nice and grippy. At the end of the day, it does what it says it does very quickly and very well. So if you're on this page, I would say probably why keep looking and messing around with checking all these different things? If you feel like the value's there, I can tell you it works really well.